How to download security and login information on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download security and login information on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and now just go down and here you will find this one. Download your information, click on it and then click this select all and go down until you find this one here, security and login information. Click on it and then click create file and wait until the file created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe. See you in the next video.